Hey guys, this is Maggie from Rock Paper Copy, and I wanted to tell you about a new change that I made to my old article that really helped me get more traffic. So I had this article published a few months ago. It was keyword research article, and it's quite detailed, but I have not really managed to rank for it or get any sustainable traffic or get any, good traffic to it. So it was there. It was obviously getting some attention, but it was nothing to shout about. And what I did, I have added two changes. So I updated this research with a new tool that I have been using since I created this article. So I'll show you which tool it is. So it's keywords everywhere. So that's what I added. I also added the date when this moderation was added. So 26th of June, about 2 weeks ago, a week ago. And I mentioned that I am using this keyword tool. I added some explanation. I added some GIF as well. So internal links and so on. And I explain how to use it. So this is one moderation. Another moderation is that I have added quite a good infographic at the top. So this infographic was part of no, I have created this infographic. Okay, so I created this infographic and I added it about 2 weeks ago as well. And since then, this blog post started getting a lot of traffic, started getting a lot of comments, a lot of attention, which is nice. So yeah, if you've got a long article, if you've got article you have worked on and it's not ranking, definitely update with the fresh content, add more visuals like infographic, video, or more images, and it definitely can help you improve your rank for it. Thank you so much for your time. Bye bye.